So today we got something really cool. This is a outdoor rug. It is a 9 by 18, so it's a big one. It is black and white. You can see it's got a checkerboard pattern, and of course it does come in a carrying case. It's outdoor, it's reversible, it's waterproof. These are great for like patios, picnics, RVs, camping. Probably most people use these for like camping and RVs and things like that, but you can put it on your patio. And like I said, it is waterproof. So we're gonna open it up, unfold it, and take a look at it. And it comes with a little bag of stakes. So if you want to stake it down, you can do that. And here it is unfolded. There are little eyelets in the corners. So if you do want to kind of put in the stakes to hold it down, I'll walk around so you can kind of get an idea of the size of this. So actually a really nice material. Let me grab it for you. Here's kind of a close-up of the material. It's kind of like a straw, plastic straw kind of material. It's actually really soft, kind of thicker, a little spongy. And it does have little eyelets on here for putting the stakes. It does have a nice little border on this side, kind of sewn on that side. And it is quite soft, so you can walk on this barefoot and you'll be perfectly fine, because it's these like little straw pieces here that make up the whole material. Almost kind of like little straws, so they're kind of cushiony, so really nice for that. This would make, like I said, this is mainly for patios, picnics, things like that. And you can see it, especially with this size, there are actually several different sizes, and this is kind of like one of the larger ones. So if you're gonna have a big picnic, definitely way to go. Or you just got like a really big patio and you want to keep your feet off the wood, those kind of things, or concrete, great way to do it. So even if you had like a pool or pretty much anything outside events, this would be great for that. Really nice quality. I really like the checkerboard, and it is reversible. And it's somewhat lightweight, comes in a nice carry case, so you can fold it up, take it with you camping, and stow it away really nice and neat. But all in all, really like this guy. Check him out.